What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mohammed, and today we're going to be talking about 3D printers. And I know what you're thinking, 3D printers are the boring little boxes you see in Cameron that just make little figurines. Well, in reality, that's just the basics of what they can really do. 3D printers have endless applications that can affect everything you see around you, all the products, everything. That's why I believe 3D printers will have an amazing impact on society and will change everything you see around us. So first off, I'm going to be talking about a quick event that took place a few years ago.
The guy you see on the left is a young Indonesian man named Uri. He participated in a global innovation challenge to redesign an engine bracket. Surprisingly, he beat out thousands of other competitors with no manufacturing experience. Secondly, he used a completely new design technique enabled by 3D printers. This allowed him to pass all the tests with flying colors.
Amazing, right? I know what you're thinking. Let's run to Cameron and make our own amazing products with their 3D printers. But I still got more than 3 minutes left, so let's continue with my next points. So first off, I'm going to be talking about how 3D printing will have an impact on manufacturing, and secondly, I'll talk about how 3D printing has an impact on the medical field.
So I'll start by talking about how 3D printing will have a positive impact on manufacturing. So individual parts, which would normally have 21 different components, can now be made into just one simple component, which saves a lot of material and time in the whole manufacturing process. In addition, individual parts can now be easily redesigned and remade using 3D printers. This is due to the fact that 3D printers have no limitations and the same 3D printer is used to make all parts, so it's easy, cost-effective, and efficient. Finally, it will reduce waste and improve resource use. This is due to traditional manufacturing methods using raw materials such as sheets, rods, and beams, which have to be cut, milled, and drilled, which results in many scrap materials being left over. 3D printers, on the other hand, have no waste material, which will have a significantly positive impact on the environment. Unfortunately, there are some limitations to what can and cannot be printed.
So overall, I'd say 3D printing has a positive impact on manufacturing, which benefits society because there'll be more jobs and all our products will be cheaper and better.
So the second topic I'm going to be talking about, and in my opinion, the more important topic, is the effect 3D printing will have on the medical field. I'll start by going over some of the amazing things that 3D printing will be able to do for people with many different conditions. Imagine if a blind or visually impaired person was given the chance to experience a photograph. A California company creates affordable home printers that creates 3D versions of a photograph. This gives the chance for a person with a visual disability to experience something which would normally be impossible for them. Secondly, 3D body parts such as the one seen in front of you will have an extremely precise fit to your body as well as an improved overall look. This will benefit people who are just going to the dentist to get a new tooth to people who have been in a horrible accident and need a new arm. Finally, I'm going to be talking about 3D printed casts as an alternative to traditional plaster casts. So these casts are not only lightweight, washable, breathable, and recyclable, but they are based on X-rays and 3D scans, which makes them extremely accurate and effective. My final point is in regards to research and more specifically prototypes. Traditionally, prototypes were the most expensive and time-consuming aspects of research, whether it was engineering or medical field. 3D printing allows for fast and cheap models. This will allow research to be conducted significantly faster and discoveries to be made quicker, which would overall benefit everyone in society. So overall, let's say 3D printers have a pretty positive impact on society. This is due to its industrial aspects, which will create more jobs and overall create better and cheaper products for everybody. In addition, it will benefit the medical field in many ways, such as allowing people who are visually impaired to experience photographs, as well as create precise and overall good-looking body parts for people who need them. And thirdly, create a better exoskeleton cast as opposed to traditional plaster casts. And last but not least, 3D printers will speed up research, which will overall advance society in every way possible.
I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.